Hello students. Today we are going to learn about the excretory system in humans. We human beings eat food, drink water and breathe in air. When our body uses food, water and air, it produces some unwanted substances called waste material or wastes. So these waste materials are toxic and hence they are harmful for our body. The waste materials must be removed from the body so that a person may stay healthy. The removal of waste material produced in the cells of the living organism is called excretion. The various waste materials produced in the cells of the human body are carbon dioxide, urea, and sweat. So we will study about the excretory system in human beings. The excretory system is an organ system that helps in the removal of waste materials from inside the body. The human excretory system consists of a pair of kidney, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder, and a urethra. Kidney. The kidneys are bean-shaped organ. It is located towards the back of our body, just above the waist. Every person has two kidneys. The function of kidney is to filter the blood to remove urea. The blood in our body is constantly passing through our kidney. So each kidney contains thousands of tiny filters called nephrons. When the blood containing urea and other waste salts passes through nephrons in the kidney, the nephrons filter the blood and remove urea and other unwanted salts from it. The liquid left in the kidney is a yellowish liquid called urine, which contains urea, other waste salts, and excess water. Second is the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is the organ that collects urine excreted by the kidney before disposal by urination. This is an elastic muscular organ capable of great expansion, and function of urinary bladder is storage of urine. Next is ureter. In human, the ureters are tube made up of smooth muscle fiber that propel urine or that carry the urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder. In adult, the ureter are usually 25 to 30 centimeter long and 3 to 4 millimeter in diameter. And function of ureter is to drain the renal pelvis to urinary bladder. So the urine collected in the urinary bladder is passed out from the body at regular interval through a small opening that is present at the tube called urethra. And urethra connect the urinary bladder to the urinary meatus for the removal of fluids from the body. The normal functioning of kidney is essential for good health. Sometimes a person's kidney may stop working due to infection or injury. When the kidney do not work properly, they are not able to remove the waste product urea from the blood. Complete failure of kidneys leads to the accumulation of too much urea in the blood of a person. Urea is a toxic substance, so the accumulation of too much urea in the blood of a person can ultimately kill the person. So a person having kidney failure cannot survive unless his blood is filtered periodically through kidney machine to remove urea by a procedure that is called dialysis. So the procedure used for cleaning the blood of a person by separating the waste product urea from it is called dialysis. So in this process, the blood of a person having kidney failure is filtered regularly by using a dialysis machine to remove urea and other waste salts from it. Since a kidney machine can do the work of damaged kidney, therefore, kidney machine is sometimes also called as an artificial kidney. An adult human being normally passes out 1 to 1.8 liter of urine in 24 hours. And if we see the composition of urine, the urine consists of 95% of water, 2.5% of urea, and 2.5% of other waste material. So the way in which waste chemicals are removed from the body of the animal depends on the availability of water. Excretion in other animals, fishes and aquatic animals excrete ammonia in the water. The land animals such as bird, lizards, snakes, and insects excrete a white colored waste called uric acid in semi-solid form. So these are all about the excretory system of human beings and excretion in other animals. Thank you.